Hey there, it's Mary out here at Olney, Oklahoma. We didn't fall off the face of the earth. We're still here, and we've been working really hard on the house, getting it cleared. Of course, we had a few tasks that got in the way. Had to go to a quilting expo down in Dallas with my sister, and then we had the Cole County Free Fair that I had to attend. And so we've been really busy. So I've just now been getting back to a point where I can do some more videos. As you can see, Jim just got through swatting at something. It was a big hornet's nest that was up in the attic. And so he's cleared that out. And the bedroom was torn off a couple of weeks ago, and now he is flipping over the floor so that we can harvest the wood because it's in really good condition. Besides being dirty, it's can all be reused, and we're going to reuse as much as we can. So hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you next time.